This Somali singer is trapped in Norway and needs our help to get home. So Omar Barbar is a Canadian Somali singer who is currently trapped in Oslo, Norway, because his passport was apparently torn to shreds. Now, Omar has been trapped for at least 78 hours, and he started posting about it a lot on TikTok, trying to seek out help. Now, from what I can gather, he has tried to contact the Embassy of Canada, but they have not responded to him yet. Now, you might be wondering who exactly tore Omar's passport to shreds, and this is where the story gets a little wild, because it's alleged that Omar has been kidnapped. Now, since Omar's videos are not in English, I'm trying to spread this to a wider audience because many people who have seen the videos probably don't exactly understand what's going on, since they don't speak the language that Omar is speaking in. Now, Omar has my full support. I really do hope that he makes it home safely and okay, because it's gotten so bad that this man has shared his own location in hopes that somebody who sees this video will come and try and help him. Now, if I was in Norway, I would come and check up on you, Omar, but I'm not. But I'm hoping this video will reach someone in Norway, so maybe they can go and check up on him for all of us.